Students, let us continue to learn these topics. Diversity of region Ladakh, diversity of region Kerala, unity as source of strength, unity in diversity. Students, let us try to understand what we mean when we say that historical and geographical factors influence the diversity of a region. We can do this by learning about life in two different parts of the country. First, we shall start with Ladakh. Where is Ladakh situated? Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. So, where is Ladakh situated? It is in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Very little agriculture is possible here since this region does not receive any rain and is covered in snow for a large part of the year. There are very few trees that can grow in the region. For drinking water, people depend on the melting snow during the summer months. People here keep sheep in this region are special because they produce pashmina wool. You can see how they are making with the pashmina wool shawls and all they are making it. The people eat meat and milk products like cheese and butter. Diversity of the region Kerala. Kerala is a state in the southwest corner of India. So, where is Kerala located? It is in the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and the hills on the other. A number of spices like pepper, cloves, and cardamoms are grown on the hills. It is spices that made this region an attractive place for traders. The apostle of Christ, St. Thomas, is believed to have come here nearly 2000 years ago and is credited with bringing Christianity to India. Many Arab traders also came and settled down here. Ibn Batwa, who traveled here a little less than 700 years ago, wrote a travelogue in which he describes the lives of Muslims and says that they were a highly respected community. The Portuguese discovered the sea route to India from Europe when Vasco da Gama landed with his ship here. Because of all these various historical influences, people in Kerala practice different religions such as Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism. While Kerala and Ladakh are quite different in terms of their geographical features, the history of both regions has been seen similar cultural influences. Both regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. It was the geography of Kerala which allowed for the cultivation of spices and the special geographical location of Ladakh and its wool that drew traders to these regions. Thus, history and geography are often tied in the cultural life of a region. Unity in diversity, that is the source of strength. India's diversity has always been recognized as a source of strength. When the British ruled India, women and men from different cultural, religious, and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It was an incident of brutal and inhuman killing of people who assembled peacefully in the Jallianwala Bagh. British General Dyer ordered open fire on the people without any warning. Many were killed and wounded. You can see the picture here, Jallianwala Bagh place. Unity in diversity. Diversity has always been recognized as its strength in India. Indian freedom movement brought the diverse element together to fight for a similar cause. Songs and symbols that emerged during the freedom struggle remind us of rich traditions of respect for diversity. We tolerate, acknowledge, and encourage diverse beliefs and customs. Jawaharlal Nehru coined the phrase unity in diversity. Do you know who is Jawaharlal Nehru? He was the first Prime Minister of India. Efforts to divide people on the basis of the diversities did not succeed. Jawaharlal Nehru, in his book The Discovery of India, says that this unity in diversity in India is not imposed, rather, it is deep within its fold. He means that when one ponders over it deeply, that is unity, one finds that India is not only united, but its people also know how to accept other customs and beliefs. Recapitulation of the lesson. India is called a land of diversity because people here speak different languages, have different food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions, etc. The aspects of diversity are based on cultural, social, economic, and political conditions. Inequality means unavailability of resources and opportunities for different people on equal basis. Plains encourage agriculture, rugged terrain for herding, and coastal areas for fishing. It shows that geographical factors influence the occupation of the people. While Kerala and Ladakh are quite different in terms of their geographical features, the history of both regions has been similar cultural influences. Both regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. Different regions have their special food. North Indian food will be different from South Indian food, and also state wise also food will be different. India's diversity is a source of strength.